strolling and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell chime. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's a right time to rock and ride away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.
We were fools, you and I. Now we know it. We stood still as the days moved along. Love was ours, but our eyes didn't shut. Suddenly, we could see we were wrong. All of a sudden, this world's yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. Now every moment, there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. La 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 la
Minsan, ang sabi niya sa akin, sandali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sigurado na ako handa kong tanggapin ang kanyang oo. Bigla na namang nagbago ang isip niya. Di ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Pinaasan niya lang ako. Bitin na bitin ako. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bale na lang kaya ako papagkaya nasa puso niya. Di bale na lang kaya ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang. Bakit na papaganyan? Ano pa ba kaya paraan? Pero kung kailangan mo naman ako, akala kong tumatakbo. Hindi ko na alam kung makakaya ko pa. Di bale na lang kaya ako papagkaya nasa puso niya. Di bale na lang kaya ngunit mahal ko siya. Di bale na lang. Yan, para po kay Miss K 51797. Sana po magustuhan niyo po yung in-out ko sa inyo from North Carolina. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ay, okay.
Kay Daddy D. Go.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Requested by
Kanino?
Don Hazel.
Kay Doc Hazel.
Ay, Doc Hazel, sorry. Doc Hazel, yes. Gabi niya, Go the Distance by Michael Bolton. I dedicate this song to myself.
Wow.
One of my favorite songs from USA with Love.
Wow! Grabe.
Shout out sa mga taga-USA. Yay! Hello. Ito na po ang request niya. I have hoped and dreamed of a far place where our heroes would be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheers when they see my face, and our voice kept saying, "This is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there." When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. That the Lord is the hardest part, for He'll spread His vision by His hand. Like a shooting star, I will go the distance. I will search the world. I will place it arms. I don't care how far, and I can go the distance till I find my heroes will come waiting in your arms. Yes, dedicated to Doc Hazel. Maraming salamat po sa pag-request mo. Yan, Ma'am Hazel, kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana nagustuhan niyo po. Bibol.
Uy, may nagre-request ng bibot sa'yo.
Bibot?
Baka bigyan mo kami sample. Dali!
Sige, sige, sige. Ba?
Oh, ready?
Filipino! 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 Bibot, 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 ikaw ay akin. Bibot, 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 ikaw ay akin. Filipino! 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 Filipino!
Grabe. Iba ka talaga, Daddy D. Basta ikaw talaga. Nako, halika, mag-shoutout muna tayo ulit sa ating mga live viewers. Live na VIP Dabarkads natin. Okay.
Comment si Doc Hazel. Sabi
Oh.
niya, thank you po, Daddy D. Ang galing.
Ay, thank you, ma'am.
Oh.
Thank you po.
Oh,
Yes.
si Miss Lori Teves for